Can he really make a full-time income just by writing blogs with AI? The answer is a resounding yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Forget everything you thought you knew about the grind of content creation. We're living in a new era, and if you play your cards right, you could be your own boss, working from anywhere. With an AI assistant doing most of the heavy lifting. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to turning AI-powered words into real-world cash. First things first, let's get one thing straight. This isn't about hitting a button and having money magically appear. It's about working smarter, not harder. The key is using AI as a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your brain. Think of it as a super-fast research and drafting partner. You're still the creative director, the strategist, the one who adds the human touch that makes content truly connect with people. Your unique voice, your experiences, your insights, that's what people will pay for. And AI helps you produce it at a scale you've never imagined. So, where do we start? The first and most crucial step is picking your niche. This is non-negotiable. You can't be everything to everyone. Are you passionate about sustainable gardening, vintage synthesizers, keto recipes for busy parents, or maybe budget travel in Southeast Asia? The more specific, the better. A narrow niche means less competition and a more dedicated audience. Do some research. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Find that sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. Once you have your niche, you have your audience. Now, for the fun part, choosing your AI writing tool. There are tons of options out there, like Jasper, Copy, AI, or even the advanced versions of ChatGPT. My advice, try a few out. Most offer free trials. See which one feels most intuitive to you and which one gives you the best results for your specific niche. Get familiar with how to write effective prompts. Throws. Instead of just saying write a blog about gardening, try something more detailed like write a 1,500-word blog post for beginners on the top 5 easiest vegetables to grow in a container garden with a friendly and encouraging tone. Include a section on common mistakes to avoid. The quality of your output depends directly on the quality of your input. Plea. Okay, you have your niche and your tool. Now it's time to build your platform. This is your digital real estate. I highly recommend starting your own blog on a platform like WordPress. Why? Because you own it. You control the monetization, the design, everything. Social media is great for promotion, but your blog is your home base. Create a simple, clean theme. Create an About Me page to connect with your readers. And most importantly, start creating content. Your goal should be to produce a high volume of high-quality, helpful articles. With your AI assistant, you can realistically aim for 3, 4, or even 5 well-researched posts per week. This consistency is what builds authority and attracts search engine traffic. Let's talk about quality control. Never, ever just copy and paste what the AI gives you. That's a recipe for generic, soulless content that won't rank on Google or resonate with readers. Use the AI-generated text as a first draft. Your job is to fact-check every claim, inject your own personality and stories, and polish the writing until it sounds like you. Add personal anecdotes. Disagree with the AI if you have a different take. Restructure sentences for better flow. Add images, infographics, and videos. This human-centric editing process is what separates the pros from the amateurs. It's your secret sauce. Now, the part you've been waiting for, how do you actually make money from all this? There are several paths to a full-time income, and the best strategy is to combine them. First, and easiest to set up is affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services you genuinely use and love within your blog posts. When a reader clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. If you have a gardening blog, you can link to your favorite tools on Amazon. If you write about software, you can join that software's affiliate program. It's a win-win. Your readers get great recommendations and you get paid. Next up is display advertising. Once your blog starts getting a decent amount of traffic, say a few thousand visitors a month, you can apply to ad networks like Google AdSense or, for even better earnings, premium networks like Mediavine or AdThrive. They place ads on your site, and you get paid based on views and clicks. These can become a very passive and significant income stream as your traffic grows. Imagine waking up and seeing you made $100 while you were sleeping, just from people reading your articles. It's entirely possible. But don't stop there. The real money is in creating your own products. As you build an audience that trusts you, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or premium templates. For our gardening blog example, you could sell a detailed ebook titled The Ultimate Guide to Urban Composting or an online course on year-round vegetable gardening. Because it's your product, you keep nearly all the profit. This is how you scale from making a side income to a full-time career. Start by building an email list from day one, offering a free checklist or guide to get people to subscribe. Your email list is your most valuable asset for launching your own products. So, let's recap the roadmap. 1. Choose a specific, profitable niche you're passionate about. 2. Master an AI writing tool to supercharge your content creation. 3. Build your own blog as your home base and publish consistently. 4. Always edit and add your human touch to make the content uniquely yours. 5. Monetize through a combination of affiliate marketing, display ads, and eventually, your own digital products. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication and a willingness to learn. But the tools available today have completely changed the game. The barrier to entry for becoming a full-time content creator has never been lower. 2. Have the ability to build a business that gives you freedom, financial independence, and the chance to share your passion with the world. The only question is, are you ready to start? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting your blog in. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.